Hey guys, Rob here, and today we're playing Cat Room. It looks so cute. Let's go. Okay. Seriously, the loading thing came back up. Oh, okay, this time it took quicker. Aww. Even more aww. Aww. Scratch, scratch. That's a lot of kitties. So many kitties, so many kitties. Let's decide on what your new name. Okay. Cat. Bunny. Cat room. I'm just gonna my city, Kawaii Cat, Love Lover, Cat Cute, no, Baby Cat, Neko Family, Love Family, Play Cafe. I like that. Let's go Play Cafe. Hello, first of all, I will explain how to care for your cat. Just a second, guys, it's a bit loud. I'm not going to use the headphones, are annoying. I'm just not going to use headphones. Okay. Hello. Okay, so hi. First of all, I will explain how to care for your cats.
Have you got socks?
Please push the they're mine.
Okay.
Please push the care button at the bottom of the screen. Where's that? Okay, here. Okay. Number 8 care. In response to I can't reading that. Okay, let's keep going. Please tap on me. Go. I don't care about this. Oh, I have to press that. Oops. Yes. One. Yeah. I haven't played this before. It's cute though. Aww.
What all is different in my hair?
So cute.
Yeah, it's so long. It's got to leave that long minute.
What's this? Let's look to buy a kitchen at the shop.
How did you get it? The game's on this. You're trying to get a game on, but it keeps going back to like.
Wait,
wait, we had to finish it. Alright, they've finished.
So cute. Mom, I'm recording. Perfect.
Oh, everyone looks different with their hair out. The hair up and different. Oh, sorry, just recording.
Okay, next time I will try cooking. Next time I will try cooking. Try tap the kitchen.
I don't know how to do it.
No.
hang on, honey.
Candy. Yes. Cool. Okay. So, new recipes release an animals increase item in the shop and clear get. It's not me reading how the words are. Whoever made the game didn't really spell them properly. Stage 1. I want 3 stars. Give me 3 stars. Don't mind that, guys. What? Okay. Let's increase the score. Here. Meow, 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 meow. He's so cute. He's so cute, guys. He's so cute and fluffy. Yeah.
Hi, I've got Bobby and
I'm recording.
Ah, how cute.
I'm recording.
Yeah, cool.
Next.
Now the pressure box.
No, I can't really be bothered doing the rest of for this day, so I'll just see you in the next episode if I do more episodes. Bye, guys.
Yeah, cool.